Hello. Today, most of the people are getting vaccinated, but all of us have common doubts like which vaccine to go for, what's the use of each vaccines. So in India, as of now, we have different types of vaccines like Covaxin, Covishield, Sputnik. So which one is the best one, and why should we go for a vaccine? What does a vaccine do? So I will explain you about each vaccine, how is it prepared, and what are the advantages of the vaccines. So coming to Covaxin. Covaxin is actually developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited. Okay, actually, what is this Covaxin? Covaxin is nothing but it's a dead virus which is incapable of infecting the people. It doesn't infect the people because it is a dead virus. But still it can teach our immune system how to prepare a defense mechanism against the active virus. If we have the active virus, our defense mechanism will already be learned as how and it boosts our immune system also. So this is how the Covaxin is prepared. So we are all taking the Covaxin medicines now. At present, the Covaxin is prevailing in India, and most of the communities are getting vaccinated with the Covaxin. And as like the other vaccines, this also has two doses. We have to take two doses of Covaxin, and the minimum period between the first dose and second dose is 28 days. Now let's see what is Covishield. Actually, Covishield was prior to Covaxin. Initially, when the vaccine was given in India, it started with Covishield. So, what is Covishield? Covishield is also being developed by Indian Institute like Pfizer Biotech. So, this Covishield, but the technology, how the Covishield is built and Covaxin is built, is little bit different. Covishield has been prepared using the virtual vector platform. That means it has been it is nothing but it's a cold virus. It is made with a cold virus. This cold virus is basically incapable of affecting the person who is taking the vaccine, but still it can teach our immune system like how the Covaxin is teaching the immune system to prepare for the mechanisms of any virus. So this also prepares our immune system, but because it is a cold virus, it will not infect the person who is taking the vaccine. So this also has to be taken in two doses, and for the minimum period for Covishield is also minimum 28 days is the time lapse that should be taken between the first dose and the second dose. So we should all take the vaccine. So why? But okay, why do we need to take two doses? Everybody gets a doubt like why do we need to take two doses? Why can't we have only one dose? Actually, researchers during the trial phase of each of the two dose vaccines showed that after certain time, the rate of immunity to COVID-19 with just one dose, but that the second dose helps us to boost the immunity to higher rates. When we go for a second dose, our immunity boosts to higher rates. For example, with the single dose, we are effective only with 60 to 70%, but when we take the second dose, the effectiveness is 91%. So that's the only reason that we have to go for second dose, so that we are almost 100% immune to any kind of virus. So getting two doses helps us. See, you might have a doubt that if you have taken two doses, are you completely immune with the virus? No, you have the chances of getting the COVID. But how does it then how does this vaccines help us? This vaccines helps us from serious illness and hospitalization. So once we take the two doses, we will not be in a situation of going for a serious illness or hospitalization, even if we are affected with COVID-19. So, we also have doubts when we are going for taking the vaccine. So we are all worried about side effects. Most of the people are reluctant to take the vaccines because they are afraid of the side effects. I would like to tell you about what are the basic side effects that we might be facing because of this vaccine. Generally people are afraid because they think they are going to have worst possible reactions, but in reality most of the people don't experience anything more than what you have taken in the course of the week that you have taken. So we should not be worried about, because as I told you how it is made of a dead virus. So you don't expect much of the side effects. Maybe you have a headache that lasts a bit longer than usual, or you might feel fatigue 1 or 2 day, or at most you might be having a low grade fever or a medium grade fever, but it will last a very short time and it is manageable at home only. So actually the problem is you're more in attuned to these side effects because you're expecting them, because the people around you say that you will have body aches, you will have fever. So so because you're expecting the side effects, might be you will get it, but don't expect anything, then you are not prone to these minimum side effects also. Okay, so now after learning about the side effects, after learning how the vaccines are made, might be you're all prepared to take the vaccine. The next doubt after taking the vaccine that you might be having is, what are the foods that should be taken post COVID vaccine foods? This the actually as I told you, the process of this vaccine is nothing but helping you to build the immunity against against any virus. So in order to boost your immunity, you should take the foods which are rich in protein. Eat like fruits, vegetables, spinach, leafy vegetables. You can eat fish, chicken, eggs, non-veg, but the suggestion is that the first 2 days, if you are having light fever, better you avoid non-veg for the first 2 days, and later on you can go for the non-veg. So whatever the food, healthy foods that will help you to improve your protein levels, or help you to improve your immunity to fight the to help your body to fight that, you should be able to take all those food. Okay, now the next after the first phase was Covishield, the second phase was is Covaxin, and the third phase that we are expecting in India is the Sputnik virus. Okay, what is Sputnik virus? Sputnik is also similar to a Covishield, and it is developed basically by Moscow's Gamaleya Institute. Similar to the Covishield, it is also a cold type virus which is engineered to be harmless and is a carrier to deliver a small fragment. After being vaccinated, the body starts to produce antibodies, especially tailored to the coronavirus. That is, it will develop the antibodies in our body so that it will help us to fight with the coronavirus. So it is more or similar to Covishield, where we send that cold type of virus to the body, which is harmless to our body. So but the Sputnik is not yet being given to any of us till now, but this is what is coming in the next phase. One advantage of Sputnik is it is understood that there is only one dose of Sputnik vaccine which has to be taken. So we all should go for vaccine no matter what is, so that we will, which vaccine is best. So we also know, so now we have understood about Covaxin, Covishield, and Sputnik. So we all might get a doubt that which vaccine is best, and which one we should go for. See, all the vaccines work, like Covaxin, Covishield, which is prevailing right now, work effectively, and they are reduce the risk of symptomatic infection severity and mortality, which is actually the major problem which we are facing right now. So therefore we getting vaccinated as and when we can, and following the COVID appropriate behavior is the need of the hour. That is, we all have to build the herd immunity by taking the vaccines at the community level. We should encourage all the people around us to take the vaccine. This is how we build the herd immunity, and this helps us to decrease the mortality rate and severity of the infection. So almost all the vaccines are best, because it develops or boosts the immunity in us to fight with any virus. So please get vaccinated. Okay, so now we have to we are looking for a certificate, because if you want to go for an international trips or anything, sometimes it is mandatory to show that you are completely vaccinated. So in that case, the government is helping us to register ourselves in a website called as www.covin.gov.in, where if you register here, once you get vaccinated, then it will give you a certificate that you are vaccinated successfully. So, all the best. I wish you all to get vaccinated and build herd immunity and get away with the coronavirus. Good luck. Thank you.